Hello everyone. On this video, I want to show how to use Bard AI on Google. The first you need internet connection, and then you can open your browser. In this video, I want to use Microsoft Edge. Then you can search with google.com. Then you can search by keyword Bard AA or use port only. Then it will show on top like this. Try Bard and AI experiment by Google. Yes, you can use it. After clicking it, we need to sign in using Google account. You can use Google account. You can click it in here. Sign in. Yes, you can use it. You can import your password. After login, like this is on your account Google like this. After that, you can try Bard. This term and privacy. You need to yes or agree. Then like this is a Bard. You can continue. You can checklist it or not. Then continue. Yes, this is Bard. Like this, you can ask like ChatGPT, but I want to try ask your name Bard. What is your name? Yes, it's your. My name is Bard. I'm a large language model. Blah 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 blah. Like this. Yes, this is a Bard. But I'm sorry for my bad English language. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.